Hey everybody, what's up guys? My name is Elaine and today I'm here recording a quick video to talk to all of you guys about the LeanBiome. So before you decide whether or not you want to purchase it, watch this video until the end because I do have some really important things to share with you about the LeanBiome that I'm pretty sure you pretty much don't know or didn't hear before. And I also have an important alert that I need to share with you guys, all right, before you make a purchase so you don't have any regrets afterwards. All right, guys. So let me begin this video by telling you that important alert that you should know about the LeanBiome. And that is that if you want to purchase the LeanBiome, make sure you are on their official website before you hit that purchase button, all right? Because the only place to get the original LeanBiome from is on their official website. So I'm going to help you out and I'm going to leave the link to their official website just below this video in that description box, all right? So after you guys have finished hearing what I have to say, make sure you go to that official website and you can learn so much more about the LeanBiome over there. Like you can read people's feedbacks, you can read the full list of its natural ingredients, you can read so much more about LeanBiome over there. All right, guys? So let me just tell you that the LeanBiome is a supplement that functions by minimizing the number of calories you assimilate. So the formulation compromises clinically proven plant extracts and probiotics. And now these ingredients are all natural and all assist in burning more fat. So LeanBiome harnesses an exceptional blend of probiotic microbes that not only enters but also prospers the gut region. So it ensures repopulation of the gut microbiota with an ideal microbiome. So in other words, what the LeanBiome will do is it will help you to lose weight. All right, guys, and it will do just that by targeting the correct microbes. All right, so it's going to balance it out in your gut area because that's how it's going to help us to learn to burn off fat. All right, and guys, like I said, the LeanBiome is completely natural, so you don't need to worry about any side effects or contradictions because there aren't any, all right? Anybody can take the LeanBiome, and if you check out their official website, like I said, you can even read people's feedbacks and how their experience with the LeanBiome was like. So just remember though, this is a natural supplement, so you won't get results like that, you know, like you have to take it every single day correctly, do the treatment as the manufacturer suggests, and you will get results in no time, but you must take it every single day. The LeanBiome offers you a 180 days money back guarantee. So that means that within 180 days of taking it, if you simply don't want to take it anymore, couldn't adapt to it, whatever your reasons may be, you can simply ask for a refund and the support team will help you get all of your refund back, all of your money back. All right, guys? But like I said, this is a natural supplement. So once you start taking it, just remember, take it every day and you will get the results you are aiming. All right? And also, don't worry because the LeanBiome is approved by the FDA and it is certified by the GMP as well. All right, guys? Well, that's what I had to tell you guys. Remember, their official website is just below this video. Make sure to check out that link right now because that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.